Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, SEBI probing Hindenburg's allegation against Adani. Next, retail inflation at 3-month high. Next, apply for license to continue operations in Maharashtra. Supreme Court to Uber. Next, online insurance firm on GST officials radar. Next, Jio eyes 100% 5G coverage in cities and Tehsil by December. Then I comes to page number 4 in company section. Under that, Adani Group reassures investors as stocks plunge further. Next, Nykaa quarter 3 profit plunges 71% year on year to rupees 8.48 crore. Next, Esser Oil reports highest ever quarterly revenue, PAT up to 73%. Next, Z Entertainment quarter 3 profit permits 92% has ad spend shrink. Next, Shri Insolvency promoters offer to pay off dues rejected. Next, Map My India invest in drones to expand customers offering. Next, VI may get up to 60 days before government ask for dues. Next, Renault Nissan to invest over rupees 5,000 crore in India. Next, Jio aims for 100% 5G coverage in cities, Tehsil by December. Next, Audi to start production of quarter 3 range in India this year. Next, Tata Sons mulls merge of arm for expansion on NBFC upper layer tag. Then I comes to page number 5 in companies section. Under that, Supreme Court Maran can in cash rupees 270 crore bank guarantee. Next, Indigo restores annual pay hike for pilots after financial turnaround. Next, Insurance Deco secures $150 million in Series A fund. On page number 6 in economy and public affairs section. Under that, center to revise guidelines for coastal ferries. Next, will terrible defense export to 5 billion. PM Rolls Royce offer engine co-creation for medium fighter. Next, Russia supplied arms worth 13 billion to India in last 5 years. Next, HDFC Bank starts online pay pilot under RBI sandbox. Next, nominated members cannot vote Supreme Court and on MCD major poll. Next, judges appoint Supreme Court says concerns with some issues. Next, top court dismisses appeal against delimitation in Jammu and Kashmir. Digitizing PDS helped save rupees 1200 crore annually. UBCM. Next, will terrible defense export to 5 billion. PM. Next, Rolls Royce offer engine co-creation for medium fighter. Next, US fifth generation F-35 makes first Indian landing. Next, whole premise of the budget is around skilling. Then I comes to page number 7 in Aero India section. Under that, showcasing its military might and civil know-how. Next, Rolls Royce reinforces commitment to partner India for combat engine co-development at Aero India 2023. Then I comes to page number 8 in economy and public affairs section. Under that, rupees to end FY23 stronger after recent volatility. Next, India's inflation higher than peers like Brazil, South Korea. Next, high ULIP sales, annuity products, repricing squeezed LIC margins. Next, G20 DIA, a worldwide initiative to integrate, accelerate digital startups. Next, then I comes to page number 9 in economy and public section. Under that, prosecution starts against e-insurance intermediary. Next, 5 PSU insurers have rupees 347 crore exposure to Adani firms FinMin. Next, crypto Web3 sector need global ties for effective regulation FM. Next, part 1 of budget session concludes Parliament to meet on March 13. Next, government illegal subsidies by trade partners hurt Indian trade business. Next, 112,000 daily wage earned died by suicide in 3 years. Next, yes moves Supreme Court against High Court verdict on 81 write-off. Next, India seeks mutually beneficial early harvest deal under IPEF. On page number 10 in world section. Under that, alliance not ruling out says US Germany employees laid off by tech giants report. Next, Russia to sell 80% of oil to friendly nations in 2023. Next, new diverse management team at Toyota has no women. Next, Pakistan crisis continues as milk price hits new high. Next, Pakistan, US to hold defense talks to boost security ties. Next, China shipped ship used laser against Coast Guard Philippines. Next, love in time of inflation. How much will Valentine Day set you back? Next, on page number 11 in opinion section under that, cautious outlook. Next, moving towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next, history matters. Next, unmet needs in wireless regulations. Next, what Hindenburg has got wrong. Then I comes to page number 17 in IPS 2023 section under that, India is committed to secure energy needs of its growing economy are casing. Next, e-compendium released to share industry best practices at the rate IPS 2023. Then I comes to page number 18 in that apply for Maharashtra license in 3 weeks. Supreme Court tells Uber. Next, FT ranking ISB retail Indian B school top spot. On page number 19, the smart investor section under that, investors remain bullish on metal and mining stocks. Next, CBI gets NSE go ahead of to prosecute Chitra Ramakrishna in co-location case. Next, cautious sounded on mid small cap stocks. Next, Sensex extends losses for second day. IT bank stock drag. Next, Nippon HDFC AMC third quarter profits impress brokerages. Next, Info Edge investors should wait for sell off to end before making fresh entry. On page number 20, the smart investor section under that, Pal Krishna Industry skits on poor quarter 3 showing. Next, option for presumptive tax scheme only if you can adhere to its rules. Next, Bearing private equity sales 10% stake in copper. Next, on page number 22, in that Tata Steel's Welsh question. Next, consumer sentiments improve, still too low. Next, that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.